Welcome to Unlocking the Power of Essential Oils, a comprehensive guide to proper usage. In this video, we will explore the many benefits of essential oils and learn how to use them effectively for your overall wellness. So, let's get started. First off, it's important to understand that essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts, which means a little goes a long way. When using essential oils topically, it's crucial to dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. This helps to prevent skin irritation and allows the oil to be absorbed more effectively. Next, let's talk about diffusing essential oils. A diffuser disperses the oils into the air, filling your space with a delightful aroma. When adding oils to your diffuser, always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Different oils have different strengths, so remember to start with a few drops and adjust accordingly to your preference. Now, onto the topic of internal use. Only certain essential oils are safe for ingestion, so it's vital to do your research or consult a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional. Remember, a little can go a long way, especially when it comes to internal use. Start with just one drop mixed with a beverage or food, and pay attention to any possible reactions. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of storing your essential oils properly. Keep them in dark glass bottles, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. This helps to preserve their potency and extend their shelf life. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to use essential oils properly for your wellness. Remember to always dilute oils for topical use. Follow instructions for diffusing, be cautious when using oils internally, and store them correctly. Thank you for watching. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on wellness tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and be well.